This is elevator 1 at the Ewart building in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This looks like a Thyssen Dover or Dover elevator traditional fixtures, but wait till I see the inside. That gives you a hint right there. JL bell and lantern. That's right, it has 80s JL on the inside and it's a reliable elevator. Interesting. Basement. White LED. Here you go down. Basement. I don't think that's original. Or maybe it's traction. I believe everything but the basement's locked. Yeah, so I'll go back up to 1. Reliable. 88 phone. Nice redone cab. Here, back at 1. Some bonus spread from like the 1980s.